Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do swatches. I'm a matte kind of girl and I love matte lipstick. Every time I see matte lipstick, any kind of brand, I'm always there. I'm always trying to buy every single color and trying to test out the formula, see if it works on me, see if it's drying. I rarely wear lip gloss or anything shiny because I just feel like that doesn't really complement my look as well. And my lips are kind of like weird shape, so I don't want to enhance it as much. And I feel like when you put gloss, there's a lot of highlight and there's a lot of like going on, so it makes me kind of look a little bit older as well. I don't know. The only time I use it is because I feel like my lips are too dry from the matte, and some matte lipsticks out there have that drying feeling, so I have to use the gloss, or at least I have to prep my lips and make sure it's nicely exfoliated before I use the matte lipstick. But sometimes I get really lazy, so I'll just throw on a little gloss. Gloss all over my whole lips. I'm just gonna feel like really greasy, and then hair is gonna get stuck to my face and it's just gonna be a hot mess. Matte is the way to go for me. I'm always on the search for the best matte lipstick. Fenty is my favorite matte lipstick. I feel like that's so moisturizing, it doesn't dry up and it lasts long, and it's just so easy to use. Today we are going to swatch some Smashbox. Smash. Tongue twister, okay. Today I'm going to swatch some Smashbox liquid lipstick. These are brand new and I just picked them up from Sephora. They're really pretty. There were a lot of colors and I wanted to buy all of them, but I just picked out the ones that I like the most. This is my first time trying this, so hopefully it turns out well. It looks really pretty in this little box. On their box it says always on liquid lipstick and it lasts for 8 hours. 8-hour power pout. To use it, you define lip with precise tip and fill in with color. Wipe off with oil-based remover, because this stuff might stay on for a long time. Here it is, my first time using it. The first color we're going to use is the color Babe Alert. So it comes in like this. I think that they designed the tip to be pointed like this so you can define your lips a little bit more. So you don't have to use a lip liner if you don't want to. You can just define slowly and shade in a certain area and get close in the corners with the tip. All right, let's try this color. This color is Babe Alert. Okay, very pretty color. The tip is also very easy to use as well. This is the color Babe Alert. It's really pretty. I didn't have to use a lip liner to define my lips. The pointed tip really got into the nooks and crannies and the corners. And if you feel like you didn't get every single area, you can just like go like that and then get into the lines. I like it so far. Really pretty color. Babe Alert. The next color up is the color Big Spender. The tips really help get into the corners right here. This is the color Big Spender. It's a little deeper than the other one, still very pretty, and it feels really nice too. Let's test it and see if it stains. So far so good. Let's try this one. It's just a little bit, not very much, but just a little bit, if you guys can see. Okay, not too bad. Very good. Take this off. Looks like a hot mess. Alright, let's cover that baby up. Taking off that lipstick and concealing it, I like to conceal my lips. It just helps with the shaping of my lips. My lips are naturally pointed, so if I conceal it, I can hide the fact that it's pointed by just over drawing my lips or like shading a little bit above it to create that illusion that my lips are rounded instead of pointed. There, I prep my lips and moving on to the next color, which is the color Fair Game. This is a nice pink nude color. It does come out a lot because you just pulled it out. So if you're kind of scared, just kind of like take it off at the edges and then just use it slowly. Because when you put it on, you can see a lot of product right there. This one is a really pretty color, a really pretty nude. Okay, so This nude is so pretty. I love it already. I think this is my favorite one so far. I love nude in any shade, any color, and most of the time it complements my look because I always have dramatic eyes, so I always want to go easy on the lips. This color is just so pretty. I love it. It feels good too. I think at first it's kind of sticky, but if you wait a little bit longer, then it starts to dry and it won't be as sticky. Yeah, let's try it on my hands. I mean, there's a little bit of residue coming off. For this one at least. Let's try it again. Okay, so the first time I kissed it, it kind of got rid of all that dry skin. Maybe because I didn't prep my lips as well. The second time, you're not seeing anything. Let's try it third time. Okay, third time's a charm. All right, moving on. Let's take this off. 3 colors, so far so good. And now moving on to the next color, which is Dream Huge. There's so many different colors, and most of the time when I get lost and I don't know which one to choose, I just go by the name. And this one is Dream Huge, so I'm a big dreamer. So I kind of went overboard with this one, so it's giving me a little bit of a duck lip. It's okay, you know, nothing wrong with a little bit of a fake lip injection. But if you do this, you can always go back and then conceal that area to make it smaller and form your lips better. Okay. I like this color as well. It's a little bit more vibrant than the other ones, so it's a good thing. I don't want them all to look the same. When there's so many colors to choose from, I just basically go with whatever the name is, and that would usually set my tone for the day and make me feel better. So this one is Dream Huge. I might want to wear this for a day where I'm feeling down and kind of depressed, and then this will make me feel better and help me have a better mindset to go about on my days. It's weird how makeup can make you feel so inspired. It's like a mental game. All right, let's take this off, and I have 2 more colors. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prep my lips. Lips are nicely prepped, and the next color I'm going to use is this pretty one right here. This is part of their metallic line. It's a little bit shiny, but it doesn't have that sheen, that gloss on it. It does dry matte. Shiny, glittery, red color. Let's try this on. This is very Jessica Rabbit kind of color. It doesn't dry so fast, it won't be as dry throughout the day. Because sometimes some matte lipstick will be like, the minute you put it on, it just literally just dries, and then throughout the day it gets even worse and starts to crust up, and it just starts to have all these like dry patches of dead skin on your lips, and it's just really bad. It has a little bit of residue when you know, kiss your hand, but that's only just the dry parts, and it comes off. So when you kiss your hand second time, it's not gonna come off. It has a little bit of a shine to it, so it could come off as a lip gloss or some sort of like light shine lipstick. So if you don't like to use lip gloss or any shiny stuff, this is perfect for it because it creates the illusion that it is glossy when it's not. So if you have your hair in your face, no problem. Pretty, pretty, pretty color. What's great about these matte lipstick is that when you're taking it off, it doesn't look like it stays on your lips. With other matte lipstick brands, I use them, and at the end of the day, I take off my lipstick and the color is still there till the next day. So it's really, really strong, and even a makeup remover won't take it off. But this one does, which is nice. Look how crazy that looks. All the swatches. All right, let's prep my lips one more time. We have 1 more color. The last color for today is Vino Noir. This is a deeper red, more like a maroonish color. See how this looks. Last lipstick color, I really like this color. I feel like it's really high fashion, very European, very French. I would use this for a photo shoot, but maybe more easy on the eyes. Just focus on mascara and a little bit of eyeshadow, and the look will look very, what do you call it? Avant-garde. Let's do a test on this one. Let's dry it a little. Let's wait until it dries. This one's a really pretty color too. Very front. So a trick that I always do is just kind of like put my finger in my mouth and just kind of go back and forth so that all the residue from the lipstick would come off, and that way it won't be on your teeth. Because you know what's worse than going out, lipstick all over your teeth and nobody tells you. That's when you know they're your true friends, because they let you go out in public with lipstick all over your teeth. So what you want to do is put your hand in your mouth like this and just move back and forth. And then you can see that it comes off right here and right here. So what that will do is help you with your lipstick on the teeth issue. Just do it a couple times. See, it's already coming off right there. So if you don't do that, it'll come off on your teeth for sure. A kissing test. It just took off all the dry areas. So those are the areas where my lips were dry and the lipstick got onto it and it just kind of came off here. Let's try it again on this hand. So less. So the more that you do it, it's taking off all the dry lipstick. Be sure to prime your lips or exfoliate it before you use a matte lipstick, because matte is very drying and you don't want to go out and have like really crusty lips. But it also helps when a lipstick is matte and not very drying. This is one of the lipsticks that are not very drying. So I am a very happy camper. I love all the colors. I feel like I should just go back and buy all of them, but I want to break my bank just yet. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Just kind of gives you an idea of what the lipstick looks like. I know sometimes when I go to the store and I'm so overwhelmed with all the lipstick colors that I just like end up buying everything, and sometimes it doesn't match my look and then I have to go back and return it. But this video is just basically to help you guys figure out which color fits you or suits you the most. Thanks for joining me today. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos like this. Let's do a photo shoot on this one. This is a pretty color. It's very French.